Friends, to get daily government job notification and weekly employment news in Hindi and English and monthly current affairs and top MCQs, first you have to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. Welcome to Rozgar News with Mahinder Singh. You're watching employment news of this week. On this channel, you will get employment news, current affairs and job notification. If you're new on this channel, please subscribe the channel. Without any delay, let's start employment news. Let's start employment news of this week. New Delhi, 19 to 25 June 2021. 7 yoga practices to boost your immunity during COVID-19 pandemic. Career opportunities in yoga. 7 yoga practices to boost your immunity. Continue from page number 1. First vacancy, Union Public Service Commission, National Defence Academy and Naval Academy Examination to 2021. UPSC will hold the examination of National Defence Academy and Naval Academy Examination to 2021 on 5 September 2021 for Army, Navy and Air Force. It is a 148th course. The commencing course is 2nd July 2021. Examination will be held on 9 June 2021. Last date for submission application is 29 June 2021. For more details, please visit its official website www.upsc.gov.in. Next vacancy, recruitment notice. Government of India Director General of Health Service, MOFHFW, Government of India. Application are invited for candidate appointment the following post: PHO Chennai, Cochin, JNPT, Kandla, Kolkata, Tuticorin, Magoa, Mumbai, Vizag, Chennai, Cochin, Kolkata, and APHO for vacancies that is Kolkata, Mumbai, Bangalore, Tiruchirappalli, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Trivandrum, Amritsar, Mangalore, Amritsar, Paradeep, Calicut, Lucknow, Goa, Jaipur, Pune and Bhubaneswar. Total posts are 73 posts are invited. Last date of application this is 60 days from this publication of this advertisement, and this is the offline form. You have to fill this performa and send on this address within the 60 days from the publication of this employment news in the newspaper. Next vacancy from Department of Port Management Board, Andaman Nicobar, Port Blair. Filling a post for Harbour Master in the Port Management Board under the Andaman Nicobar Administrative. It is offline form. You have to submit the form on this given address. You have to submit. The last date of application is 45 days from the date of publication of the advertisement in the Employment News Rozgar Samachar Patra. Next vacancy है North Eastern Council Secretariat, Ministry of Development of North Eastern Region. The North Eastern Region Counseling Secretariat is looking for the service, and application are invited for the Superintendent Engineer Civil on deputation, including short-term contract and filling which by promotion basis. Name of the post: Superintending Engineer Civil. Number of post 1. Scale pay will be pay level 13. Method of recruitment: deputation, including the short-term officer under the Government of State, Union, Public Sector undertaking, universities or recognized research institute and salutary of autonomous organization. The last date of application is 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the Employment News. Next vacancy, Manor Parrikar, Institute of Defence Studies and Analysis, MPID, SA, New Delhi. Name of the post: Account Officer. Number of post 1. Specialist of Assistant, Special Assistant. Number of post total 1. Last date of this application is 12 July 2021. For more details, please visit his official website www.idsa.in. Next vacancy from Department of National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited, New Delhi. Name of the post General Manager. Number of vacancy is tentatively will be declared later. Second post Deputy General Manager, Regional Office of NHIDCL located in Northeastern State, Andaman and Nicobar. Number of posts 20. Deputy Manager for the Northeastern Post, Andaman and Nicobar. Number of vacancy 5. Manager, Regional Officer of Offices of NHIDCL located in Northeastern State, Andaman. Number of posts 20. Manager Finance. Number of posts 5. Manager Legal. Number of posts 1. Assistant Manager HR. Number of posts 2. Junior Manager HR. Number of posts 6. Junior Manager Legal. Number of posts 1. Junior Manager Rajbhasha. Number of posts 1. Educational qualifications will be relatively trade on vacancy relation, that is the postgraduate in the relative trade. Educational qualification for each trade will be relevant degrees and diploma. For educational qualification for general manager will be degree in civil mechanical, electrical engineer from a recognized university. For educational qualification, deputy general manager, that is a tag on project, that is education qualification is civil, degree in civil mechanical engineering from a recognized university. For deputy general manager, educational qualification is degree in recognized university or final exam on the Institute of CA, Chartered Accountant. Will be the last date of submission of application is 31st May 2000. The last date of submission of application is 31st May 2021. For more details, please visit its official website www.nhidcl.com. Educational qualification for manager, that is the degree in civil, mechanical, electrical engineer from a recognized university. For assistant manager HR, that is qualification is for degree from a recognized university or institute. For manager finance, educational qualification is degree from recognized university and having passed intermediate have examination chartered accountancy. For junior manager HR, that is educational qualification is for degree from recognized university or institute. For manager legal, educational qualification is degree in law from recognized university. Junior manager legal, that is educational qualification law degree from a recognized university and institution. For junior manager Rajbhasha, educational qualification degree from a recognized university and institution. For more details, please visit its official website, and also the PDF link is given in the description box. You can download and go through the notification. Proforma for application for the post of above given all. Next vacancy from Department of CSIR, National Botanical Research Institute, Rana Pratap Marg, Lucknow, UP. Last date of receipt of this application is 23rd July 2021. Applications are invited for the post of Senior Technical Officer. Number of posts 2, pay level 10, upper age limit is 35 years. For second post Technical Officer, number of posts 2, pay level 7, pay level 7 and upper age limit is 30 years. Essential qualifications for the Senior Technical Officer, Pharmacognosy, MSc Botany, Chemistry, Microbiology with 55% marks, and B Pharma with minimum 55% marks and 2 years working experience. Essential qualification for Technical Officer will be environmental technologies, MSc in environmental science and environmental studies, microbiology and environmental microbiology, and applied microbiology with minimum 55% marks, or BTech in environmental science. For more details, please visit his official website www.nbres.in. Next vacancy, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food, Public and Distribution, that is a indicative vacancy circulation. Applications are invited for the post of Deputy Director, Technical. For more details, please visit his official website dfpd.nic.in. Last date of this application is 60 days from the date of issue or publication of advertisement in the employment news. Next department है Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Office memorandum filling of the post of one vacancy assistant editor Hindi in pay level 7. Director of extension by composite method of deputation. Last date of this receipt is 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the employment news. For more details, please visit its official website www.agricoup.nic.in. Next department, Institute of Secretariat Training and Management. Now, posts are Assistant Library and Information Officer ALIU. Number of posts 1, pay matrix level 7 and pay band revised is pay band 2. Last date of receipt this application within the period of 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the employment news. For more details, please visit its official website www.istm.gov.in. Next department, Directorate of State, Nima Bhavan, New Delhi. Office memorandum subject for filling of one post for superintendent on deputation basis. As superintendent, that is Government of Ministry Housing and Urban Affairs. Last date of receipt this application, complete application will be 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Next vacancy from the All India Institute of Medical Science, Jodhpur, AIIMS Jodhpur. Advertisement, AIIMS Jodhpur are invite application for the following post: Medical Superintendent, number of post 1, Superintendent Engineering, number post 1, Financial Advisor, number of post 1, Assistant Control of Examination and Finance, Chief Account Officer, CSSD Officer, Executive Engineer, Senior Procurement and Storekeeper, and Security Officer. Number of posts each 1. Store Officers, number of posts 2. Assistant Stores Officer, number of posts 4. Chief Pharmacist, Senior Sanitization Officer, Assistant Administrative Officer, number of posts each 1. Senior Pharmacist, number of posts 2. Laundry Manager and Assistant Security Officer and Audiometry Technician ENT, number of posts 1 each. Sanitization Officer, that is a number of posts 3. Last date of receipt this application is 45 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the employment news. For more details, please visit its official website www.aimsjodhpur.edu.in. Next department, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Water Resource, River and Development of Ganga. Refer to the advertisement number 33/41 dated 17 April to 23rd April and for filling of one post for the project director, Atal Bhujal Yojana in pay level 14. The last date of receipt of this application for the post is hereby extended by 45 days from the closing date of this earlier advertisement. Next vacancy from National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, NIELIT. Revised vacancy for reopening an application to be filled upon the direct recruitment in basis of STQC. Name of the post Scientist B, pay level 10, revised number of vacancy is 18 and reserved for PWD 1. Scientist of Assistant A, pay level 6, number of the revised position that is the 63 and revised for reserved for PWD HST for physically handicapped 2, LV1 or OH1. Last date of this receipt is 19 June. Last date of receipt and closing date of application is 9 July 2021. For more details, please visit its official website www.nielit.gov.in. Next vacancy from Department of Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Directorate of Plant Protection, Quarantine and Storage, Haryana. Name of the position Senior Technical Officer, number of post 2, Technical Officer, number of post 8. Last date of receipt this application is within the 10 days from the issue of this advertisement in the newspaper. For more details, please visit its official website ppqs.gov.in. Next department, Institute of Secretariat Training and Management. Filling up one faculty post for Deputy Director Accounts on deputation basis in the Institute of Secretariat Training Management. Educational qualifications for holding analog posts on regular basis on parent cadre or department within 5 years service of grade rendered after appointment. Therefore, for bachelor degree and recognized university, pass in the subordinate account service examinations and successful completion training in case and accounts in the Institute of Secretariat Training Management with 5 years experience in cash, account and budget works. Master degree in commerce from the recognized university, 1 year teaching experience. Last date of receipt this application is extended which will be 45 days from the date of applications. For more details, please visit his official website www.istm.gov.in. Next department is Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology. Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Government of India, recruitment of all the following posts. Associate of Professor, Food Process, Agriculture Process Engineering, number of post 1. Assistant Professor, Livestock Product Technology, Meat Science and Technology, number of post 1. Assistant Professor, Food Science and Nutrition, number of post 1. Last date of application is received by 45 days from the date of application. For more details, please visit official website llifpt.edu.in. Next vacancy from Tata Memorial Center. That is the position for various post designation are internal finance officer, dispensary, medical pharmacy, officer in charge dispensary, scientific officer for dispensary, pathology and tissue bank, translation and research laboratory, biomedical, biochemistry, central sterile supply department CSSD, hematolopathy and information technology programmer and pathology for scientist of assistant B, radio diagnosis, radio oncologist, transfusion medicine, neurotechnologist, microbiology, biomedical waste and patient navigation, nuclear medicine, CSSD, technician ICU, technician CSSD, technician for networking, technician for dental and prosthetics surgery, nursing superintendent grade 2 and assistant nursing superintendent. Last date of receipt application 25th June 2021. For more details, please visit official website http.tmc.gov.in. Next department, Pandit Deen Dayal National Institute, person with physical disability, Divyang Jan. Number of post and name of the post is clinical psychologist post 1, speech therapist 1, specialist doctor consulting visit basis, neurologist, ophthalmologist and ENT surgeon. For more details, please visit his official website. Next vacancy from Defense Research Development Organization, DRDO. Advertisement number 2021 to 2022, that is the HRD recruitment apprenticeship. Defense Laboratory Jodhpur, a premium establishment research laboratory, is process recruitment apprentice for the post of 1 year for the year 2021 to 2022. Subject BSc Computer Science post 1, BSc PCM number of post 2, Diploma Electronics Engineering number of post 2, Diploma Mechanical Engineering number of post 2. Total vacancies are 7. Last date of receipt application is 15 days from the date of advertisement in the employment news. For more details, please visit his official website www.drdo.gov.in. Next vacancy from National Institute of Technology, Agartala. Recruitment for the post of registrar. Educational qualifications and experience are registrar, name of post, method of recruitment, deputation, and deputation includes short terms. Educational qualification will be master degree at least 55% marks or equivalent in grade B in the UGC 7-point scale from a recognized university. Experience holding analog post or at least 15 years experience as an assistant professor. Last date of receipt this application is within the. For more details, please visit his official website www.nlta.ac.in. Last date of receipt this application is 5th July 2021. Next vacancy from University of Hyderabad. Name of the post, that is recruitment by deputation basis, university engineer, internal audit officer, deputy registrar, chief security officer, assistant registrar or personal assistant. Number of posts each 1, and for personal assistant number of posts are 5 unreserved. Last date of submission of a hard copy by application, that is the offline mode, that is 5th July 2021. For more details, please visit official website uhyd.ac.in.careers. Next vacancy and department is Kendriya Hindi Sansthan, Agra. It is a notice. It is informed that regarding advertisement number 04/2021. Last date of this application is received hereby increased, that is extended 10 July 2021. Next department, Rashtriya Military School, Ajmer, Rajasthan. Employment notice, that is the post of Group C category. Name of the post is Hostel Superintendent, pay matrix level 5, age limit is 21 to 35 years, Group C, number of post 1, category ex-serviceman. Next है Mali, MTS, multitasking staff, pay level 1, age 18 to 25 years, Group C, number of post 1, essential qualification, matriculation pass and equivalent from a recognized university. Sapai wala MTS, pay matrix level L1, 18 to 25 years, Group C, number of post 2, an essential qualification, matriculation pass or equivalent from a recognized university. Next, Weservan, that is the pay matrix level 1, age 18 to 25 years, Group C, number of post 2, essential qualification, matriculation and its equivalent. Masalchi, that is pay matrix level 1, 18 to 25 years, number of post 3, essential qualification from equivalent to from a matriculation and equivalent. Table Walter, that is a pay matrix level L1, age 18 to 25 years, number of post 3, essential qualification, matriculation and its equivalent. Last date of this receipt application will be 45 days from the publishing date of advertisement of newspaper. And for more details, please visit his official website www.rashtriyamilitary.school.ajmer.in. Next vacancy from the Department of Arunachal Pradesh Selection Board. Advertisement notice, Arunachal Pradesh is a staff has notified the advertisement combined graduate level exam for the post of under upper division clerk. Last date of receipt application, that is 25th June 2021. For more details, visit his official website apssb.nic.in. Next vacancy from the Department of Agriculture Corporation, Farmer. The last date of receipt application for the post of Joint Director Women Program Director extended, that is the information, is hereby 14 to 20 November 2021. Advertisement number EN 27/51 is hereby extended. For more details, please visit his official website www.agricoup.in. The last date of receipt application is extended within the 60 days from the date of publication in the newspaper earlier. Next vacancy from Ministry of Finance, Department of Economic Affairs, New Delhi. Filling of the post, 2 posts for library and information assistant and for General Central Service Group B, non-gazetted, non-ministerial, pay level 6. That is the processing of educational qualification experience, bachelor degree in library science and library information science and recognized university. 2 years professional experience in library under the central or state government. Last date of receive this application is 60 days from the publication of this advertisement in the employment news. It is offline mode. You have to fill this pro forma with all requisite in document and send it on this address before the last due date. It is a good opportunity for library and information science librarian government job seeker. Next vacancy from Department of Agriculture Corporation Farmer Welfare. Advertisement number, that is 03/2021. Application are invited for the librarian information assistant 1 post to be filled in direct recruitment on basis. Last date of this application is received within the 60 days from the date of publication in the employment news. For more details, please visit his official website. Next department, vacancy from Directorate of Forensic Science Services. Circular, Directorate invited application for the pro forma filling of the post of Assistant Group B, non-gazetted ministerial on deputation basis, pay level 6. Last date is 2 months from the date of this application. Please visit his official website dfs.nic.in. Next vacancy from India Government Mint. यानी भारतीय प्रतिभूति मुद्रण एंड मुद्रा निर्माण लिमिटेड. Name of the post superintendent and number of post 1. Educational qualification for the superintendent OL, that is the master degree from recognized university or in Hindi or English with English and Hindi as a subject of graduation level, and experience of 1 year in translation from Hindi to English vice versa. Age limit 18 to 30 years and method of selection will be online examination. Next vacancy, engraver number grade 3. Total post 6. Educational qualification Bachelor of Fine Arts and sculpture, metal works and painting works with at least 55% marks. Age limit will be 18 to 28 years and method of selection will be online examination. Opening date of this website link for registration is 21st June 2021. Closing date for 20th July 2021. For more details, please visit his official website. Next vacancy from Divisional of Agriculture Engineer, New Delhi. Eligible candidate may appear online interview of 30 June 2021 for the post of Design and Development Relay Raised Bed Pneumatic Precision Multi-Crop Planter. For more details, please visit his official website www.iari.res.in. That is SRF 1 post skilled worker, 1 post unskilled worker. Next vacancy from National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research, Kolkata. Advertisement number 5/2021. Online application are invited for the post of Assistant Professor, number of post 8. Technical Assistant Grade 2 Civil, number of post 1. Technical Assistant Grade 2 Electrical, number of post 1. Section Officer Grade 2 Secretariat, number of post 1. Section Officer Grade 1 Accounts, number of post 1. Please visit more details is official website www.nittrkol.ac.in. Next vacancy from Indian Strategic Petroleum Research Limited. Advertisement number, name of the post CEO and MD, number of post 1. For more details, please visit his official website www.isprliindia.com. Next vacancy from National Council for Cement and Building Materials, Haryana. Name of the post Group Manager, Personnel and Administration. For direct recruitment, and the candidate should have a postgraduate in special and human and research. Number of vacancy 1. Age limit is 50 years. Pay level 12. Second is Group Manager Finance and Accounts. The candidate should know the commerce, postgraduate, preferably CA, ICWA, CMA or MBA. Pay level 12. Number of post 1 or age limit is 50 years. Next vacancy from Group Manager and Materials Management Service. For direct recruitment, the candidate should have graduate with engineering, BCom and BSc with postgraduate diploma in materials management. Pay level will be level 10, 12 or number of vacancy 1 or age limit is 50 years. Last date of receipt this application is 21 days from the date of publication of the advertisement in the employment. Please more details, please visit his official website. Next vacancy from the Indian Navy. Provisional reserve list for the tradesmen of Met. That is the name and registration number is given. Congratulations for selected candidate. Please go through your registration number and name, which examination will. Next vacancy from Sardar Vallabhbhai National Institute of Technology, Surat. Recruitment notice for non-teaching positions, that are executive engineer, 1 civil, 1 electrical. Pay level will be 10. Number of posts, that is a 2 and age limit is 35 years. The last date of receipt this application is 22 July 2021. For more details, please visit his official website www.svni.ac.in. Next vacancy from National Capital Region Transport Corporation Limited. Vacancy notice, name of the post Senior Executive Information Technology, that is number of post 1, appraise limit is 35 years, minimum experience 3 years. For Executive Information Technology, number of post 1, maximum age is 35 years, number of experience is 2 years. The educational qualification for both senior executive and executive information technology is BE, BTech, CS, IT or EC or MCA or its equivalent. The last date of receipt application is 20 days from the date of this issue of vacancy in the employment news. Next vacancy from Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Institute of Technology, Surat. A special recruitment drive for the post of assistant professor grade 3. Assistant professor grade 2, the number of posts total is 42. Assistant professor for civil engineering, computer engineering, electrical engineering, electronics engineering, mechanical engineering, pay level will be 10, pay band will be 3. This is an offline form. You have to submit this application pro forma. It is given in official website within the 60 days from the date of this application. Next vacancy from Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Water Resource and River Development of Ganga Rejuvenation. Applications are invited for filling of one post for secretary in the level 13A. Pay matrix is by deputation basis. This is the offline form. You have to fill this biodata pro forma and application form and you have to send it on this given address within the 60 days from the date of publication in the advertisement. For more details, please visit his official website www.mowr.gov.in. Next vacancy from National School of Drama, vacancy for the theatre artist. National School of Drama invites application for plain paper theatre artist for vacant post of artist grade 1 and A and B. Please visit his official website www.nsd.ge.in. Next vacancy from Government of India, BCG Vaccine Laboratory, Guindy, Chennai. Name of the post stenographer grade 1, number of post 1, pay level will be 6. Eligibility for deputation officer holding post of stenographer under the central government. Last date of receipt this is 45 days from the date of excluding the first day for publication or advertisement in application. For more details, please visit his official website dirbcglab.gov.in. Next vacancy from the Sainik School, Tilaiya, Jharkhand. Applications are invited for the post of 18 GE regular at Sainik School, Tilaiya. Post general employees, regular category unreserved 9, SC1, ST3, OBC 5. Qualifications should be have a matriculation and 10 means 10 plus 10 level and matriculation or its equivalent. Should have not 18 to 50 years between age. Payment will be basic pay 18,000 plus allowances as per application. Last date of receipt that is 20 July 2021. You have to submit the offline form. You have to send the application is given in the address by 20 July with all relevant documents. Next vacancy from Indian Council of Medical Research. Recruitment notice for the post of scientist D. Number of post for upper age limit 45. Essential qualification BDS and MDS regular degree recognized by DCI or its equivalent. For more details, please visit his official website. Next vacancy from Bharat Sarkar Raksha Mantralaya yani DRDO. Filling the additional chief construction engineering in DRDO Ministry of Defence on deputation and absorption on re-employment basis. The eligibility conditions or qualitative requirement deputation as a civil officer. Last date of receipt this application is 60 days from the date of publication advertisement in the employment newspaper. Within the given format, this is an offline form. Application has you have to type or download from the my description box, and you have to fill and attach all the relevant document and send it on below given address before due date. No action will be taken on advance copies of application or application which are not issued through proper channel. Next vacancy from Institute of Secretariat Training Management, New Delhi. Filling up the various faculty posts on deputation basis in Institute of Secretariat Training Management, New Delhi. दोस्तों, name of the post Deputy Director Vigilance Course, number of vacancy 1, pay band will be 3. Deputation Director Economic and Planning, number of vacancy 1, pay band will be 3. Assistant Director Office Management, number of post 2, pay band 2. Assistant Director Accounts, pay number of vacancy 1, pay band 2. Assistant Director English Shorthand and Typist, that is a number of vacancy 2, pay band will be 2. For more details, please visit his official website www.istm.gov.in. The last date of receipt of this application is 60 days from the date of publication in the employment newspaper. Next vacancy is from the Department of Lady Hardinge Medical College. That is the Lady Hardinge Medical College, Dark Room Assistant OBC 1 and Unreserved 1, 2 post and OT Assistant Unreserved 2 in the pay matrix level 3 application are invited. Last date of receipt of this application is 30 days from the date of this application. For more details, please visit his hospital site hmc.hospital.gov.in. Next vacancy from Central of Culture Resource Training, New Delhi. Advertisement filling of the 8 posts for the field officer in CCRT in pay level 7. That is the last date of receipt of this application is 15 days from this advertisement. For more details, please visit his official website crrtindia.gov.in. Next vacancy from Committee of Parliament in Office Language, New Delhi. Number of the post, name of the post, application. Next department is Committee and Parliament Office Language. Applications are invited for the post of Senior Research Officer, number of post 1, pay band will be level 11. Research Assistant, pay number of post 4, Assistant number of post 4, Stenographer grade D, that is number of post 3. Last date of receipt, this application is 60 days from this advertisement number in publication. And please, for more details, please visit his official website rajbhasasamiti.gov.in. Next vacancy is Government of India Directorate General Training. Filling of the post 15 number tentative vacant post for the Deputy Director of Training under the Women Training Cadre in pay matrix level 11. Last date of receipt of this application is 60 days from the date of application from this advertisement. Friends, you have to fill, this is offline form, you have to download this proforma or type this proforma and enclose and accomplish all the relevant document and send it to you on the given address before due date. Next vacancy from the Government of India Ministry of Affairs Directorate General Sashastra Seema Bal, New Delhi. Name of the post, Additional Judge Attorney General, Commandant by deputation basis. And next is for Deputy General Attorney General, Deputy Commandant on deputation basis. Last date of receipt, this is offline form. Last date of receipt this application form within the 60 days from the given in date of publication in this advertisement. And for more details, please visit his official website ssc.gov.in or www.ssbrecruitment.gov.in. Next vacancy from Joint Indian Coast Guard, Ministry of Defence, as in Navig Duty General Duty, Yantrik and Navig Duty Domestic Branch, 01/2022 batch. Application will be accepted only online mode from starting from 2nd July 2021 to 16th July 2021. Eligibility condition for online application are invited for male only Indian verses. Educational qualifications, Navig General Duty 10+2 passed with math and physics from the recognized university. And Navig Duty General Domestic Branch 10th pass or is equivalent. Yantrik 10th pass with recognized university or school or board and council of boards or CBC. And diploma in electrical, mechanical, electronics, telecommunication, radio power, engineering 3 to 4 years, approved by All India Council of Technical Education, AICTE. Age limit for Navig GD Yantrik born between 1st Feb 2000 to 31st Jan 2004. For Navig DB 1st April 2000 to 31st March 2004. Upper age limit, age relaxation as per government norms. Next vacancy from Rajiv Gandhi Rashtriya Vimanan Vishwavidyalaya, Rajiv Gandhi National Aviation University. Admission announcement for 2021 for postgraduate diploma in airport operations, that is the PGDAO, Bachelor Management Studies BMS, and Air Cargo and Aviation Services. Important dates that online submission for applications is 7 June 2021, last date for 6 July 2021. For more details, please visit his official website. Next vacancy from National Institute of Locomotor Disability Divyangjan. Employment notifications. Application are invited for the various posts: Assistant Professor Occupational Therapy 1 unreserved, Associate Professor Orthopedics 01 unreserved, or Assistant Professor Rehabilitation 01 post, Residential Medical Officer 01 post OBC, and Lecturer for Prosthetics 01 unreserved, Lecturer for Orthotics, that is 01 unreserved, and the Lecturer SCR, that is 01 unreserved, Staff Nurse 01, and Librarian 1, and Demonstrative Prosthetics 01, and Stenographer Grade 3 01, and Surgical Bootmaker Grade 3 unreserved anticipated vacancy. LDC 01 post. Last date of issue of this application is 30 days from the date of this advertisement in the employment news. For more details, please visit his official website www.niohkol.nic.in. Next vacancy from Rashtriya Ayurved Vidyapeeth. The name of the post, lower division LDC, that is the number of posts, this is total 1, and the category will be 1, that is for OBC. Last date is 30 days from the date of this application of the advertisement. For more details, please visit his official website. Next vacancy from Serious Fraud Investigation Office, New Delhi. Name of the post, application are invited for Deputy Director Forensic Audit. Number of post 1, that is tentative place posting for Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, and Hyderabad. Pay level will be 11. Last date of issue of this application within the 60 days from this publication of this advertisement. For more details, please visit the official website www.mca.gov.in. Next vacancy from National Horticulture Board, कृषि एवं किसान कल्याण मंत्रालय, भारत सरकार. Application are invited for filling one post for Deputy Managing Director. Last date of receipt of this application is 30 days from this publication of this advertisement. For more details, please visit his official website www.midh.gov.in. Next vacancy from Insolvency of Bankruptcy Board of India, appointment for chairperson. More details, please visit his official website www.mca.gov.in. Next vacancy from Ministry of Home Affairs, Department of Board Management and Appointments for Member Planning Development in the Land Ports Authority of India, LPAI. Last date of receiving this application by 2nd to July 2021. For more details, please visit his official website. Next vacancy from Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Saraswati Foundation of Rural Development, Tamil Nadu. Name of the post, Programmer Assistant. Number of post 1. Educational qualification is Bachelor degree in Agriculture for any branch or science, social science relevant in agriculture or equivalent qualification from a recognized board. Last date of issue of application 19 July 2021. For more details, please visit his official website www.skbkk.org. Next vacancy from Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI. Vacancy for filling of the post of the Deputy Director General. Last date of receipt of this application is 19 July 2021. For more details, please visit his official website www.uidai.gov.in. Next vacancy from Ministry of Home Affairs, National Crime Records Bureau. Bureau invites application for the filling of Assistant Director post. For more details, please visit his official website www.ncrb.gov.in. Last date of receipt for the application of Assistant Director is 45 days from the date of application. Next vacancy from Ministry of Ayush, that is the advertisement of the post Assistant Drugs Controller, Unani. That application of invited for duplicate in the candidate filling one post only, Assistant Drug Controller, Unani. Last date of receipt of this application is 60 days from this application. For more details and application and for apply more, please visit his official website www.ayush.gov.in. Continue from page number 1, career opportunities in yoga. Next department is Director of Coordination Police Wireless, New Delhi. Applications are invited for the post of Additional Director, pay level 13. Number of posts 2, remarks on deputation basis. Last date of receipt this application is 60 days from the date of publication of this circulation in employment newspaper. For more details, please visit his official website www.dcpw.gov.in. Next vacancy, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, New Delhi. Advertisement number, that is 04/2021. Applications are invited for the post of Accountant General Central Service Group C. For more details, please visit his official website agricoop.nic.in. Next vacancy from National Institute of Technology, Andhra Pradesh. Recruitment of our non-teaching staff. National Institute of Technology, Andhra Pradesh, that is in institution of national importance declared by Act of Parliament, have application invited for the undergraduate, postgraduate, doctoral program in technology, science, humanities, management and allied areas, and also provide excellent ambitions academic research of circulation. Application are invited. The picture format invite the Indian nationals for various non-teaching posts for the institute. Please visit its official website nita.andhra.ac.in. Last date of filling this application and submission for online is 10 July 2021. News Digest. National Digest. NTPC joined UN's CO water mandate. All citizens are entitled to free vaccination, Niti Aayog. Government prohibits use of remdesivir in children with coronavirus infection. Interview for Civil Service Main Examination 2020 to resume on August 2nd. Renowned filmmaker Buddha Sahab Dasgupta passes away. ISRO to assist development project in Northeast through space technology. Retired IS officer Anup Chandra Pandey appoint new Election Commission of India. Dr. Jitendra Singh instructs for immediate release of pension to family of government employees deceased due to COVID-19. International Digest. G7 countries reached landmark deals to back at least 15% global corporation tax. Maldives FM Abdullah Saeed elected as president of 76th session of UNGA. El Salvador becomes world first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. World is combating emerging challenges for fugitive economic offenders. India. Economic Digest. Center approves increase in MSP for all mandated Kharif crops for marketing season 2021-22. Exports of India organic farm products jumped 51% in 2021 to 2021. Sports Digest. Sunil Chhetri surpasses Messi to become second highest active international goal scorer. IOC approves list of 29 refugees athletes who will compete in Tokyo Olympics. In IOC stand for International Olympic Committee. Boxer Nandgaon Dinku Singh passes away at 42. This was the employment news of this week.